Hello everyone, welcome back to another banger video. Today we're going to be building a simple blockchain in Python. Blockchain is a distributed ledger that enables secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. Today we'll explore the fundamental concepts of blockchain and walk you through the process of building a simple blockchain from scratch using Python. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a solid understanding of how blockchain works and how to implement it using Python. Now before we get into the video, if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a like down below. It helps us out tremendously with the YouTube algorithm. With that out of the way, let's hop right into it. So our first step is to define a block class that represents each block in our blockchain. Let's take a look at the code. Alright, so in this code snippet, we defined a block class with an initializer method that takes in parameters such as index, timestamp, data, and previous hash. Each block has its own unique hash, which is calculated by connecting the block's data and the previous hash of the previous block, or the hash of the previous block. We use the SHA-256 hash function from the hashlib module to compute the hash, which is similar to what Bitcoin does. So run that. So now that we have our block class, let's create a blockchain class that will handle a chain of blocks. Here's the code for that. Alright, so in this code snippet, we define a blockchain class with an initializer method. The chain attribute is a list that starts with the genesis block, which is the first block in the chain. The create genesis block method creates the genesis block with a predefined data value and a previous hash. The add block method adds a new block to the chain by setting its previous hash, calculating its own hash, and appending it to the chain list. Now let's put everything together and create our blockchain by instantiating the blockchain class and adding blocks. Alright, in this code snippet, we first create an instance of the blockchain class, then we create several blocks by instantiating the block class and providing the necessary parameters such as index, timestamp, data, and an empty previous hash. We add these blocks to the blockchain using the add block method, and finally, we loop through the chain list and print the details of each block, including its index, timestamp, data, previous hash, and hash. Alright, and that's it. We've successfully built a simple blockchain using Python. We've learned how to define blocks, calculate hashes, and link them together to form an immutable chain. Blockchain technology has endless applications, from cryptocurrencies to supply chain management and beyond. By understanding the basics, you can explore and contribute to this exciting field. That's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, drop a like down below, subscribe, drop a comment if you have any questions, and we'll catch you in the next one.